Ladies, stop doubting your wellness. Tired of trying endless health fads? Let's break the cycle today. Ignoring health leads to imbalanced days. Your energy's zapped and that smile fades.
Do you want to create content that grabs attention and earns you passive income? Forget expensive production and boring ads. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create real, engaging, user-generated content, UGC, to use with affiliate marketing to earn at least $10,000 per video. And trust me, it's easier than you think. Most affiliate marketers struggle with this common problem. People hate ads. We scroll past them, click skip, or just ignore them altogether. But there's a secret strategy that's changing the game: user-generated content, or UGC. UGC is content that feels more real and relatable. It's the type of content that looks like it came from a friend, not a company. And that's exactly why it works so well. People trust it. First, decide where you want to post your UGC content. You can choose YouTube for more in-depth videos, TikTok for viral potential, or Instagram for a mix of both. For this tutorial, I'll focus on short-form videos that work on all these platforms. Next, it's time to pick the right product. We need to find a trending product to ensure there's high demand. I'll use this platform. It gives us trending products on TikTok and Amazon, which is really amazing. Now, click on trending products, and in the search bar, I'll search for health because the health and fitness niche is evergreen, and many influencers make millions by promoting these products. I'll choose this first product as an example and look at more data. As you can see, it has a good commission, but most importantly, it sold thousands of products in a short time. Let's click on it. As you can see, this TikToker really found a gem. With just one video, she got millions of views and earned at least $36,000. Take a look at her videos. It's a simple video about women, and even though many comments criticize the influencer for sharing personal information, in my opinion, it's unnecessary. We can still earn money without going that route. But for marketing strategy, this TikToker is really smart. She did this to push viewers to comment on her video, making the algorithm push the video, which went viral and earned her $36,000. Now we will copy the name of this product and add affiliate program at the end. I do this to find if they have a website for their affiliate program. Look, the product is sold on Amazon and they also have a website. Let's check it out. Yes, it's their official website, and they offer the possibility to join their affiliate program. But sometimes it takes a while to get accepted, and they ask if we already have an audience. So, to save time, we'll use Amazon Associate. It's really easy to join. Just follow me. But to be honest, Amazon doesn't offer great commissions, so the best choice is ClickBank, but also it's not available for everyone. My advice is to apply through the official website, and if you're lucky enough to get accepted, you can earn a 38% commission. If not, focus on Amazon Associate. To get our affiliate link, just paste the product name into the search bar and click Search. I'll choose the one with many reviews and get my affiliate link. Now, let's create our UGC video with the TopView A platform. First, you need to create an account to start making the video. Don't worry, the links are in the description and in our Telegram channel. All we need is our affiliate link or product link to create the UGC. And the best part is that TopView AI supports many platforms, including Amazon, AliExpress, Alibaba, Etsy, and more. Paste the link and click Create Video, or if you have files, you can upload them. Let's choose our materials. My advice is to avoid using scenes with people's faces to prevent copyright issues. Let's scroll down. You can upload your own script if you have one, but I'll leave it like this and use the script generated by TopView AI. Here, you can choose the script style, but if you're not sure, leave it on Auto Select by AI. In this section, you can add an end card or a logo to protect your video or ads from being stolen. Before clicking generate, you can choose your aspect ratio and language. You can also select a voice or even clone your voice, but that option isn't available on the free plan. Now we need to choose our avatar. I'll pick this one and click confirm. Then click generate. It takes a few minutes for the video to be created. Let's see the first video.
Guess what top influencers use daily? It's not just about beauty products. Vital Balance gummies are the key. Looking for a wellness boost? Imagine your pH balance thrive.
Let's look at this second video.
Ladies, stop doubting your wellness. Tired of trying endless health fads? Let's break the cycle today. Ignoring health leads to imbalanced days. Your energy's zapped and that smile fades. Don't let life slip by unnoticed.
It's really professional. Now I will click on edit to make some adjustments. Click on AI avatar to change the position of your avatar or just resize it. Click on this icon to adjust your subtitles to follow your topic. We can also change the position, and don't forget to click confirm to save your modifications. And if we click on these three dots, we can do a lot of things like adding transitions, background fill mode, adding scenes, and more. Click here to set the background music. You can choose from this library or even choose do not use background music. You can add your own music, but that's only available on the paid plan. Now click on sticker to add a CTA call to action, a pointer, and other features. In Element, we can add an image. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments. Now, click back to export the video. Keep in mind, on the free plan, you can export 2 videos with a watermark. But if you're serious about turning this into a real business, upgrading to the paid plan is a game changer. Picture this, you're consistently posting polished professional videos with your brand's logo across all your social media platforms, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube. Your audience recognizes your style instantly, and you're building credibility. With professional exports, you'll not only stand out, but also maintain consistency, helping your brand grow and keeping your followers engaged. If you're in a country where you can create a TikTok shop, it's amazing. You can just create videos with TopView AI, choose products from the TikTok shop, and promote them. If not, focus on Instagram, YouTube, or even Pinterest, where short content is key. After the video is exported, download it and move to the next step. Now, I choose to publish the video on Instagram as a reel. I didn't show the account creation process in this video because it's simple, but if you want me to cover it, let me know in the description. Click create and choose the video from your computer.
Ladies, health
Choose the aspect ratio 9:16
Your energy's
and
zapped
click
slip by
next.
unnoticed.
For the title, I will choose the one from the TikTok video and use the same tags. Most importantly, I'll add our Amazon affiliate link here. For you, place the link in your bio. When someone watches your video, clicks the link in your bio, and makes a purchase, you'll get the commission. Believe me, there's no magic strategy to make a lot of money, just consistency. I'm also creating a guide on how to retarget your viewers with more product promotions. So don't forget to join our Telegram or Patreon channels. Everything is free. And that's it. You now have everything you need to start creating user-generated content for affiliate marketing. With the right product, authentic content, and the power of UGC, you can start making money online today. So what are you waiting for? Try it yourself. Click the link in the description and let's get started.